I was at my office when we held a moment of silence for a retiring coworker who had passed away. As everyone stood in a circle with their heads bowed, my stomach made the loudest, most demonic gurgling noise I've ever experienced. It was so loud that everyone heard it, and I saw their micro-expressions, twitching shoulders and lip-biting as they tried not to laugh. My stomach did it again, even louder, and when the silence ended, our manager thanked us for the moment of reflection, but it sounded like a threat. Afterward, 3 people approached me to ask if I was okay, and I'm not. I'm still traumatized by the experience and fear showing my face at work.